Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review DIY Ubtan bath soap. I made this DIY Ubtan bath soap. Let's jump into the recipe. You will need a silicone soap mold, a spoon, goat milk or glycerin soap base. I used goat milk soap base here. Ubtan powder, multani mitti, that is fuller's earth, rosemary essential oil or any essential oil which you have, a metal or glass container to melt the soap base. First, I mixed 1.5 tablespoon of Ubtan powder with 1 tablespoon of multani mitti powder and set it aside. Next, I cut the soap base into small pieces. It cuts so smoothly like butter, super satisfying. I melted it using the double boiler method. Once melted, I added 1 to 2 drops of rosemary essential oil and mixed well. Then I added the powder mixture and stirred quickly. Make sure to mix fast and pour it immediately into the soap mold. It took about 3 to 4 hours to fully harden. Here's my review of the DIY Ubtan bath soap which I made. It's a good scrubbing soap. It exfoliates really well. However, it doesn't create much lather, which I didn't like. It's great for dry to normal skin but not quite enough for oily skin. It cleanses gently, an okay experience overall. Next time I will use only half of the amount of the Ubtan powder to see if it creates more lather. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.